Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss elements of costing. In that, material costing, cost accounting standard 6, MCQs, true or false, fill in the blanks, match the following. So this is the CMA study material. First of all, we discuss multiple choice questions. In that, first one is, which of the following is considered as normal loss of material? A. Pilferage. B. Loss due to accident. C. Loss due to careless handling of material. D. None of these. Here asking, which of the following is considered as normal loss of material? So the answer is C. Loss due to careless handling of material. Second one, the most important element of cost is option A. Material. B. Labor. C. Overheads. D. All of these. So the answer is A. Most important element of cost is material only. Next, third one, direct material is A. Administration cost. B. Selling and distribution cost. C. All of these. D. None of these. So direct material is A. No option here. So none of these. So next, fourth one, continuous stock taking is a part of option A. ABC analysis. B. Annual stock taking. C. Perpetual inventory. D. None of these. So the answer is perpetual inventory. So continuous stock taking is a part of perpetual inventory. Fifth one, which of the following is considered as accounting record? Option A. Bin code. B. Bill of material. C. Stores ledger. D. None of these. So here asking, accounting record is a stores ledger. Next, sixth one, direct material can be classified as A. Fixed cost. B. Semi-variable cost. C. Variable cost. D. Prime cost. E. None of the above. So direct material can be classified as variable cost. Next, seventh one, in most of the industries, the most important element of cost is A. Labor. B. Overhead. C. Administration cost. D. Material. 7. E. All of the above. So material already given in MCQ. Next, eighth one, in which of the following methods of pricing costs lag behind the current economic values? So we are asking, in which of the following methods of pricing cost lag behind the current economic values? Option A. Replacement price method. B. Lost in first out price method. C. First in first out price method. D. Weighted average price method. E. None of the above. So cost lag behind the current economic value is in first in first out price method. That option C is the correct answer. Next, ninth one, in which of the following method issues of materials are priced at predetermined price? A. Replacement price method. B. Inflated price method. C. Specific price method. D. Standard price method. E. None of the above. So the answer is D. Standard price method. In standard price method, materials are priced at a predetermined rate. Okay, so that's why we get variances. Next, 10th one, which of the following methods smooths out the effect of fluctuations when material prices fluctuate widely? So when material prices fluctuate widely, option A. FIFO. B. Simple average. C. LIFO. D. Weighted average. E. None of the above. So we use weighted average if price fluctuations are very high. Okay. Next, 11th one, under the FSN system of inventory control, Inventory is classified based on A. Value of items of inventory, B. Criticality of the item of inventory for protection, C. Frequency of items of inventory use, D. Volume of material consumption, E. None of the above. So the answer is C. Frequency of items of inventory use. So under the FSN system of inventory control, inventory classified based on frequency. So frequency of items of inventory use. Next, 12th one. Materials are issued from one process to another based on option A. Bill of materials, B. Material requisition note, C. Purchase requisition note, D. Material transfer note, E. None of the above. So the answer is material transfer note. Materials are issued from one process to another based on material transfer note. Now we go for true or false. The first one is waste and scrap of material have small realization value. False. So waste and scrap of material have small realization value is a false statement. Next, second, slow moving materials have a high turnover ratio. It also a false statement. Next, third one, bin card are not the part of accounting records. Yes, bin card are not form of accounting record is a true statement. Next, fourth one, ABC analysis is based on the principle of management by exception. Yes, so it's a principle of management by exception is a true statement. Next, fifth one, stores ledger is maintained inside the stores by storekeeper. It's a false statement. Next, fill in the blanks. Stores ledger is kept and maintained in cost office. So stores ledger is kept and maintained in cost office. Second one, goods received note is prepared by the receiving department. So it's a goods received note is prepared by the receiving department. Next, third one, transfer of surplus material from one job or work order is recorded in where it's recorded material transfer note. So because it's transfer of surplus material from one job or work order is recorded in material transfer note. Next, fourth one, dash is discount allowed to the bulk purchaser. So for bulk purchaser allow quantity discount because he purchased bulk quantity. Fifth one, dash is a document which records the return of unused materials. So material return note is a document which records the return of unused materials. Next, match the following. Production strategy, analytical method of stock control, process of classifying material, unavoidable residue material, stores ledger. Okay, first one, production strategy. So production strategy is a just in time. Next, second one, analytical method of stock control. So analytical method of stock control is ABC analysis. We classify materials as ABC. So it's a analytical method of stock control. Next, third one, process of classifying material. Process of classifying material, FSN analysis. Next, fourth one, unavoidable residue material, C, control of scrap. So unavoidable residue material is a control of scrap. Next, fifth one, stores ledger. So stores ledger maintains in cost department. So costing department. So these are the